If you take a look at various commands descriptions, you'll notice that a vast majority of them share the same arguments. 4 of these arguments are targeted at error handling: error call, error jump, error message, and error result. You can use one of them to convince a user to provide a correct input. You'll use the try command, which is another block command. It tries to execute everything inside the block between try and end keywords. In case an error occurs within this block, the robot will do what one of the error arguments instructs: call a procedure, jump to a label, display a message, or just store the error information in a variable. The try end block asks a user to enter a digit in a dialog box. Let's run this script. This digit is stored in the input variable. Then the robot tries to force the integer type on the provided value. So when I type there A, it fails to do so because the user entered a non-numerical characters and error occurs. And this is the moment when the error jump argument for the try command steps in. It tells the robot to go back to the repeat label, thus starting the try end block again in hope for correct user input. This will be repeated over and over again until a user provides digits and the input variable is successfully converted into an integer.